In Peru, there is a kid who is only 14 years old. But this kid started a real bank with credit cards, employees, and lots of money. Who is this kid and how did he start a freaking bank? When I was in Peru, I met thousands of happy and energetic locals. At some point, one of them told me there is a young kid in a faraway city who may be the youngest banker in the world. So, I had to see this kid in person.
We are flying to make a video about a 13-year-old boy.
So I flew down to his city, and before I knew it, I found the kid.
Hi, my name is Jose, and this is my story.
Jose is a kid of very few words. He noticed that most of his friends know nothing about money. Every time they get $1, they spend it on things that didn't matter. That was a problem, because these kids will grow up with no savings or safety net or understanding of personal finance.
It's important to save money.
At the age of 12, he wanted to fix this problem. So of course, like any kid would do, he started a bank. He incorporated a financial institution. He printed debit cards and gave them to his classmates. Now, all their allowance would go to their savings account. And the more they save, the more money they make.
It's the first bank in the world started by a kid.
And it worked. Now, he has over 3,000 kid customers that believed in him and 8 employees that are older than him. Together, they manage more than $50,000 in savings for kids and educate thousands of them on how to handle money.
Siguiente.
Approved.
And here's the crazy part. His bank is very different from Citibank. Because at Jose's bank, you don't even need money to start an account. He started a program to help kids make money from trash. Any kid can bring in plastic waste and he will recycle it for them and give them money in their bank account. This way, you make money as a kid and the streets of Peru have less plastic waste.
It's a win-win.
And in 2018, Jose won an International Climate Award for his work. Despite his age, Jose is solving 2 big problems. He is making the planet green and the wallets of his classmates even more green. And that is impressive. That's more than a minute. See you soon.